Today we're going to talk about how to increase the value of your house before selling. Our budget to do this is 20,000 rand. Hopefully, now the property is listed on the market for 650,000 rand, and once the renovation is done, once we put down 20,000 rand, we expected that we can then sell this property in the region of 720,000 to 750,000 rand. You can see that how 20,000 can massively increase the value of your property.
Be a legacy builder.
This property that we're standing in here, this was my home. This is where I stayed when I was at varsity, and then I bought it after varsity. It's actually said that I'm going to let this property go. It's a strategic decision that we've taken as a business to grow. So after 10 years, we're selling this property. When I bought this property, I didn't do much. It's the same colors. So this is colors that you've seen 10 years ago, you see. But today we're going to talk about a couple of things. Actually, let me take you from here. In here, the walls color is going to be changed. The ceiling, what we're going to do is also change this new color, you know. And the kitchen is where we're going to spend majority of our money. The kitchen is a mess. We're going to take all these things out, clean it up, put new kitchen in, and get it done properly. In the bedroom, it's a 3-bedroom apartment, by the way. In this bedroom, what we're going to do in this bedroom is basically paint the walls, paint the ceilings, fix the lights, put some bulbs in here, bring some lights in, and what we're going to do here, like for example, the hinges are off, right? So we need to put hinges in, fix this thing up. Nothing much to be done, and once you've done that, by spending that kind of money, you create a home and you get people to buy your property. We're hoping to do this in less than 2 weeks. That is our estimated time to fix this place up and then put it on the market, and hopefully before you know the winter season kicks in properly, we should be able to be sold off the market. So anticipation, in 2-3 months we should be able to sell this property. This is the bathroom. So the bathroom, as you can see, it's dirty. It comes with a shower and a bath. So we're going to paint this place up, clean, fix some knobs. So if you come in here in this bathroom, for example, the knobs are out, so we need to fix that, fix the shower rose, put a nice shower rose in, and that's it. And then we get this place going, and change the shower trap. So that's also something that we're going to do here. In this room, the room number 2, it's also basically the same thing. Paint the walls, clean the place up, fix, you know, the cupboard, align this properly, and do the edging right, and clean it up. Basically, that's what we're going to do. You can see this place is a mess. There's no hanging rail, so we're going to put a new hanging rail there. It's got one of the beautiful views actually in the neighborhood. This is the 3rd bedroom. This bed, a tenant left it here, so we need to clean up, clean this, put nice hinges, clean the cupboards. So our estimated budget to do this is 20,000 rand. Once we've done this, currently the appraisal says that if we sell this property as is, we can get 650,000 minimum, anything between 650,000 to 680,000. If we spend 20,000 rand more, it's going to get us to anything between 720,000 to 750,000 rand. So you can see you spend 20,000 rand, and already the 20,000 that you spend has doubled. That's what seeing money with your mind and not with your eyes does for you. Be a legacy builder, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.